You're going to quit programming without realizing why. It is only because of this small mistake that every beginners make and nobody is talking about it. I made this mistake and every developer did it too, but some gave up after this, but others became real developers. In this video, I will show you what is this mistake and how to fix it before it is too late. The problem in every person who starts programming is that they fall into this very simple mistake, yet it has a huge impact on your learning journey. That mistake is thinking that you must know everything before building something. I know it sounds logical and quite reasonable, but this mindset is quietly destroying your progress and will make you quit. Suppose you are taking this Python course, you start learning it, understood the concepts, took notes, and you finish this course within a week. Now it's time to build something. And suddenly, before starting to build a project, you feel completely lost. You just don't know where to start, not because you don't know enough, but because you don't know how to use what you know. That knowledge that you learned and the hours you put in to learn it all became useless. This is the part where your mind will start playing games on you. It will make you think, yeah, programming's not for me, it's better to quit. And that is when you eventually quit. Here's the deal, it is time to change your mindset in terms of thinking that to build something, you must know everything. Instead, think of programming as you need to build to learn. Now, I'm not saying go ahead and, for example, build a game using C++ and you still don't know how to declare a variable in C++. The term learn while building means learn just enough to start and build something that is imperfect. For example, you started building this project, but then you hit an obstacle and you notice that you need to know object-oriented programming in order to continue. So now you have a reason to stop what you're doing, learn what is needed, and apply it to your project. This is so much more exciting and fun. You're building a project, and when you need to know a concept, you pause, go learn the concept, and apply it to your project. With this way of thinking, you not only avoid quitting programming, but you are training your mind into knowing how to think like a developer, how to learn like a developer, and most importantly, how to solve problems like a developer. That's why gaining experience is more important than learning everything and having enough knowledge that you don't know where to use. So remember this, programming is about learning while building, not learning everything then building. You use that tiny knowledge you have to build something that is imperfect, where you'll hit obstacles that will oblige you to put in the effort and learn about what you need. And that's how a true developer learns programming and builds projects. And I have one question for you. What was your first project that you've built? Thanks for watching and I'll be waiting for your comments.